Hello, my name is Madison, and I'm also part of our world. I'm 15, my birthday is January 29, 2001, and I'm doing the Have You Ever? So the first question is, have you ever met a celebrity? I have. I met a lot actually, because me and a couple of my friends, we like to go to meet and greets. I met Taylor Kniff about 6 times. Jack Johnson, Jack Galinsky, Matthew Espinosa, like all the MagCon boys, plus like more, so like Chris Miles, Cameron Ellis, Carter Reynolds, Daniel Scott, Hunter Rowland, Brandon Rowland, their little brother Ashton, he's so adorable. I also met Bart, the creator of MagCon, Aaron Carpenter, and Jacob Sartorius, and a lot more other people. The second question is, have you ever been on an airplane? Yeah. Last summer, I went to Mexico, and then like a couple years ago, I went to Disney World. The third question is, have you ever played sports? I have volleyball, softball, gymnastics, dance, cheer, swim, ballet, and a lot more other ones. And the fourth question is, what color are your eyes? They are green, brownish, don't really know who, I guess. Okay, and the last question is, who is your favorite out of everyone you've ever met? And it's Cameron Ellis. And then my second one is probably Chris Miles, because he's a babe. So anyways, I'll see you next Wednesday.